Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Prophase Labs. And if you look at this trend, so we have the trend which is as long as I could say here 1995, so 25 odd years. But if you look at this trend in the last 10 years, it seems like it was in hibernation and just woken up out of it, because if you look at the current movement, so from the lows of May or June 2020, it simply went up by 490 odd percent. And with this simple move, with one short move in the last 2-3 months, it has broken lots of important resistance level. So we are going to discuss all of those, but before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now let me first tell you about the structure of the trend, because as you can see, from the lows of 1995 it went up to the highs of 1997 and given a return of 45,000%. Okay, so in a span of 2 years, this kind of returns are phenomenal, which we have seen in early 80s or early 90s or probably late 90s, and after that with lots of regulation, all those things. It's these kind of returns are you can't see these kind of returns in a normal market. So those were the crazy times, and so does the current one. So in this kind of trends you can see lots of moves like this. But after that, so from the highs of 1997, it simply never went back to those levels. Okay, so it's been flat, you can say. So from the last 23 odd years, the stock is moving inside the range. So it simply qualify as a trend which is flat, which is entirely flat in the last 23 odd years. So if this is the structure of the trend, what we need to do is simply to stay within the trend and follow the levels which are there inside the trend. Okay, so if the stock makes a breakout or breakdown, then only we are going to consider that, oh, obviously the trend is changing. Otherwise, the level which we need to see will completely be inside the range only. So let me simply tell you that your optimism is restricted till $24 on the upside, and your pessimism is restricted 0.67 on the downside. So stay within the range. Now as far as the trend is concerned, now your first support will come at $6.7. Then you have your next support at $5. Okay, then you have your next support at $3, and you have your next support at $1.2. And on the upside, you have your first target at $9. Then you have your next target at 17 and probably 24. So this is it. This is what you need to know in the trend. Just trail your stop losses, understand your risk, understand that if the stock falls below one support level, so are you ready to take the hit and wait for the next support level to arrive? If you don't, simply get out. Do not be emotional. Don't be an emotional junk when you are playing with the money. Okay, so that is the simple and most important thing you need to understand. The money which is floating inside the economy or across the globe is abundant, but the money which you have inside your pocket as well as inside your bank account is limited. There is no doubt about that. And you lose money, somebody will win that. Okay, it's just a transfer of money and nothing else. Okay, so understand that never do these kind of things where you become emotional with your investment or the money which you have put in a particular XYZ financial product. You are here to make profit. Simply make profit. If you are unable to do so, just get out of that place. That's the simple thing you need to know, and that's the simple thing you need to do. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.